This conference will now be recorded.
So everybody know how to use the Photoshop software. So mainly we are using the Photoshop for image editing. So we need a images for while we are doing the Photoshop software, right? So image is very necessary over there. What about this InDesign software? In the starting class, when I'm teaching the multimedia things, so that time I told you people what are the things which are coming in the graphic designing software. So we have 4 to 5 different softwares are there. What are those? Photoshop, InDesign, CorelDRAW, and Illustrator. So these are the graphic designing softwares, right? So we are going to the second one, that is called InDesign. Afterwards you have the software called CorelDRAW. Okay, so the second one is InDesign software. So InDesign software, so mainly this is from Adobe company. So Adobe InDesign. So if you'll go to this start option here, again in this here Adobe InDesign CS5. Okay, so this is the version you have to use it, because I have taken the complete suite in the sense I have complete suite of Adobe Master Collection. So I have complete set of Adobe Master Collection. So I am using complete these softwares of this Adobe. Okay, Adobe After Effect. So this is a video editing software. Adobe Dreamweaver. This is a this is a website designing software. Again, Adobe Flash, 2D animation software, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. So Photoshop, you people know already. So I have taken complete suite here. So for this, you have to install complete this many softwares. That means you need a i5 or i7 processor. With that 2 GB or 4 GB RAM you need it, and 4 GB graphic card also necessary for this. Minimum 2 GB is enough, but you need a high-end system for this, because we are using all this software for the designing purpose only. So designing means it will take color combinations, everything. So we are downloading so many images, and we are creating the animations, we are making the movie downloading and movie editing, and any video editings, audio editings, those things and all we are doing with these software. So we need lot of memory space for this kind of software. So one or two software it is okay, but we are using multiple softwares means we need a high end system. So everybody who want to go in the like animation field, or they want to go with this designing field, so they have to buy i3. I3 is not enough, i5 or i7 processor, which is best, who can develop the gaming, who want to do the animation things and all. Okay, is that clear? So we have these many softwares are here. Okay, so we will go here first, what we can do with the Adobe InDesign software. So CS5 version is enough to use the Adobe InDesign software. So Adobe InDesign software mainly we are using for printing purpose. Printing purpose in the sense, so Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing and page layout designing software application produced by the Adobe. In the sense, so this is the software. So in Photoshop, whatever the designs we have created, so those designs are, so you can upload it in the internet also, otherwise you can place it in the website also, other we can place it in the Instagram. So many of the different application we can use it. So not necessary all the images you have to print, right? So you can keep it in the system also, no problem. Only some of the poster designs and those things and all we are going to print, and photography related and all we will make it album, and we will take a printout. But in InDesign software we are making the designs for mainly for the printing purpose. So publishing in the sense we are going to print. Okay, so mainly what are the designs we are making here. Here we are not making much fancy things over here. So, and in Adobe InDesign software we don't have any cutting options, so we cannot cut the image, we cannot crop the image, we cannot combine the image, we cannot collage the image and all. So this is very simple software. Mainly what is the use of this software and what and all things we can create using this software. Okay, so mainly we can create this posters. Okay, so posters, not the movie posters. So in this we have to create some of the very serious posters, in the sense any of the blood donation camp, or any of the message, social media, social related message, we have to make it. So those things and all, don't drink and drive, so some of the things we have to make, some of the social messages we have to give, so those things and all, posters and all, we can make it here. So here we cannot make any fancy things, in the sense like how I have shown in the last class, like movie posters, collage things, and jewelry designs, so those things and all, which is only for the Photoshop. Here we are doing some of the magazine cover page design, so which is only very simple, which is related to that, only that much only we can create it. And flyers, brochures. Okay, so brochure designs, I think you have seen it, when you'll go to the mall, or near to your house and all, you can see you will get some brochures, some advertisements you will get with this. Okay, so magazine designs everybody know. So we have different kinds of magazines will be there, correct? So we have this thing, like health related magazines will be there, sports related magazines will be there, and we have film fair magazines will be there, and some of the business related magazines will be there. Okay, so we have different kind of magazines. According to that we have to place the contents, right? So you cannot like some of the things which is related to over, it will be there. So beauty related magazines will be there. So magazines which is containing like 15 to 20 pages or 30 pages maximum, that much only. Next we are going to create the newspaper design here. So newspaper design nowadays, which is become colorful, correct? So before it is not colorful. Nowadays, because of advertisement, newspaper designs are become very colorful. Okay, so they are because for the thing, advertisements, so they are placing many advertisement over there. So otherwise simple newspaper, Deccan Herald, and those things and all, so those are the newspapers are very simple. Okay, so those newspaper designs we have to make. So every designs having, which is having its own sizes. Okay, so magazines will be there with the A4 size. Newspaper we have to make it with the A3 size. Okay, double the A4 size. And the brochures, which is half of the A4 size. Okay, half of the A4 size it will come. So that also we have to make it. Even posters, you can make a bigger posters, or you can make smaller posters and all, we will not make it. So we have to make a very bigger posters itself. So all these things we are creating with the InDesign software. And some of the presentations. Okay. Okay, so please write it down, these many options. Okay, whoever following the class, Okay, please write it down. Please don't completely depends upon the video what we are sharing. Sometimes we are not unable to send the videos. Okay, so presentation in the sense some of the project works, so you have to make a show it in a different way. Okay, so you have to submit the project book, so that time you have to make a 4 5 pages of project work or a 10 pages of booklet. So that time we have to use these presentation things and all. We can use it with the InDesign software. Next one is the books. What kind of books it will be? Anybody having any idea what kind of books we can make it? Anybody can, what kind of books we can place it? We can make the, what kind of designs we can make it using InDesign software? Anybody? Tanisha?
I'm not sure, ma'am.
Punita? Jennifer?
Ma'am, like magazines, books means like we can use magazines,
Magazines
photo
I have
albums.
already told. Okay, what kind of books we can make it?
Ma'am, photo albums, maybe.
Photo albums we cannot make it in InDesign software. So photo albums and all, which is only for Photoshop. Yuktar, Aditi Narsimhan, anybody can tell me what kind of book designs we can make it here?
Is it
Ma'am, what
novels
about
or
catalog?
something?
Yeah, tell me, tell anybody can tell me, no problem.
Catalog?
Yeah, catalog design I will add it for here. Okay, so catalog designs, that means it is coming with the flyers or brochures, anything we can add it. I'm asking in the books, what kind of books we can make it?
Ma'am, is it novels and things like that, ma'am?
All kind of books, yeah, novels, science books, social book, accounts book. So whatever the books you are seeing, like whatever the books you are studying, so all kinds of books. So I made a differentiated here, magazines and other things and all differentiated here. All kind of course materials from LKG to so PhD. So all kind of sections, whatever the books we have. Okay, so all kind of books we are making with the InDesign software. Okay, how your books will design? So somebody has to design, right? So then only you can study, and there is a pictures will be there, and there is a, what is that, account related chart will be there. And if I'll take a storybook means they will make a cartoon kind of a story will be there. Okay, moral things will be there. And some of the tables like ledger books and all, and attendance books. So what you are seeing, all kind of books, so we have all different kind of books we have. So all kinds of books somebody should design, right? So then only it will come in the market, then only you people can study those kind of things. So everybody should, the designing people should do the this books designs. So then only, so you can you will have a like if you'll take the plain book or a rule or unruled book also, there is a front page and a back page will be there, which considering the price and the book name, all those things which is there, minimum things always it will be there. Correct. So any of the simple books or any of the complicated books also, which is having many things, for starting, start name, end name, when the batch is starting, even the certificate designs, even certificate designs also we can make it in InDesign. So mainly certificate designs and all we are using the CorelDRAW software. Here we are using mainly for the books, magazine, newspaper, and flyers, posters, and the brochure things and all. The same thing you can use the CorelDRAW software also. So Photoshop is completely different than InDesign software. So here we are mainly for a publishing in the sense, mainly the software we are using to print. So printing purpose only we are using. So we are making the designs that we can print in the future. Correct. We cannot, if we will make a magazine designs and we cannot keep it at house just like that. So we are using mainly for the printing purpose. Okay. So all this advertisement designs will be there. Okay, books and e-books are same. E-books in the sense, some of the books we are designing, we are not going to print, so those things and all, you can through online, you can study those things. Okay, so whatever the books design we are making here, the same thing only we are presenting in the online. So then it is considering as ebooks. Okay, so some of the books designs nowadays, the fashion is so they are everything which is possible with the internet itself. Internet itself, we are studying. Correct, books and all we are downloading, so we will get every informations. Correct, who will go and buy 1,000 rupees book, and we will study everything with the system itself. So that is we are considering as a e-books instead of printing, so which is going to launch in the internet. Okay, so that is called e-books. And next one is the advertisement design. So you people already know about the advertisement design. So 10% things you people got to know in the Photoshop class. Correct. So like what are the things which is there in the advertisement design? Anybody can tell? Tanisha, Prachi, Jain, what are the things when we are going to do the advertisement design? So what are the things we should keep it in mind? So what are the things we are going to mention in the advertisement design? Divyashri M, Jennifer, Ritika, what are the things we are going to place in the advertisement design?
And the name of the organization, the product, if any offers are there, that one and all of that thing.
Yes, offers and all. Mainly the product is very important, and company logo. So all any of the product which is uh, valuable product, so the company will be there. I have shown in the last class, the Tanishq and any of the company, any of the things which is Dell or laptops company, mobile company, Samsung, any of the product, they have their own logos will be there. So those things and all we are going to present in the advertisement design. And what are the offers, like 10%, 20% offer, making charges, or on what occasion you are going to give this, like Diwali with the wishes. Okay, so those things and all we are going to present. And with the we will not mention exactly the some some of the brand which is not not popular brand. So those things they are presenting with the mobile number and some of the things like advertisement only we have a different differentiation. Different things are there. For example, if you are placing the Samsung showroom or any of the things, so we are only placing the website things and all. So for suppose it is a gym or aerobics class or any other dance class, any other institutions, so they are presenting their mobile numbers. So please observe those things and all. Any of the uh, like uh, like what is that, a skin cleaning or any beauty treatment cleaning. So those peoples they are having a limited area only. Correct, so which is near to our area only. So those people always present the mobile number, they're highlighting in a very bold letters mobile number, and with the mail IDs and all. Not even mail IDs, they're only highlighting the mobile numbers. Correct. So but the other companies like Samsung and other companies and all, they're not going to highlight the mobile numbers and all. Okay, so they are just highlighting their logo, company logos and all. Okay, is that clear everybody? Like what are the things which is necessary for the advertisement designs? Then what else necessary to create an advertisement? Anybody?
Ma'am, the tagline, it's more important.
Tagline is very important. Always any of the company like more than a tagline, there is a catchy line will be there. For example, like if you miss this offer, something like that, very catchy line that offers will be expire very soon, only for 2 days the offer will be there. So like this is your dream car, something like that. They have the catchy lines, they are going to highlight those things. Okay. And so those things also we can place it. And what else we can place it? Nitya R, Divyashri M, what are the things we are going to place in the advertisement design? Anybody can tell me? Nitya R and Divyashri M. Aditi Narsimhan, Arunima Baidya, please tell me, like answer, like what I'm asking, like what are the things necessary to create an advertisement design? Arunima, Aditi Narsimhan.
Ma'am, it should be colorful and like we should want to see it. In that
Yeah,
way,
color
it should be
combination is very
pleasing.
important. Yes, yes. Color combination is very important. So yesterday what I have told, so the color combination should match always. So whenever we are doing some advertisement designs, so book designs and all, we cannot place multiple colors in the background. Okay. So here I have some of the designs. So I just made a folder, the InDesign. Okay, some of the works. So this is, we have the thing of magazine cover page, some of the magazines we have here. So this is the magazine which is related to arts. Okay, so which is related to arts. And some of the magazine, fashionable magazines will be there. And we have this magazine. Okay, so the magazine cover page, so according to that they will make the photo shoot of the model. So here again, the photography things what we are seeing here, so those are going to edit in Photoshop. So they are going to edit the things in Photoshop. Next we will bring it to here in InDesign, and we will create all these designs, all this, the other things, the text and all is there. So those things and all we are going to do it. So that's why we have to learn Photoshop first. Later we are going to learn the InDesign. So if you know the editing of this model, how to make this, make it bright or any other effects and all, so we can go to any other software and we can add the text, and according to them we can change the design. Okay, so here end of the day, any designs, so image is very important. So whatever the design I have taken, this is a fashion photography. According to that they made a photo shoot, and we have the background color and all. So but we added in InDesign only some texts are in there. Correct, we have added only simple text over here, but the model is completely did the shooting and the editing things done in the Photoshop. So we can use the Photoshop and we can use the InDesign, both the things we can use it. Again, this is a magazine. Okay, so however they want, they did a shooting like photography thing, they made it, and some editing things also they made it in the Photoshop. Afterwards we bring it to the InDesign software, and we added this barcode and some texts and all we added here. So InDesign is very simple software compared to Photoshop, which is not complicated much. So which is a very simple software. And I have some newspaper design, look at here, I have this newspaper design, Hindustan Times. So what are the things which is there in the newspaper design? Here it is looking very small, but while after printing the newspaper, which is coming in the A4 size. So everybody seeing the newspaper, how the size will be. So that size only it will come. And look at the columns here. So rows and columns are very important. So this is the option which is only available in the InDesign software. Okay, InDesign is very important software that in all the companies they are using nowadays. Okay, this is one sports magazine. So sports magazines with some advertisements will be there. Okay, so like that. And yeah, so this is the, I don't have any cleared brochures. Yeah, so we have different kinds of menu card. You can consider it like a menu card. You can consider like a booklet design, or sometime it is look like a magazine. So if it is a three folded or a two folded, so this is a magazine, all are two folded only. So but look at this one. So this is which is having only 3 to 4 pages. Okay, so brochure we can consider as a brochure design. Some of the things which is look like a magazine. Okay, so we can make a different types of magazine, we can make a different types of booklets, pamphlets, banners, everything. So we have here, I shown you here, this is a 2 or 3 folded, like a hotel menu cards and all you are seeing, right? Invitation cards and all. So which is folding option is there, like 2 times you can fold it or a 3 times you can fold it. So that is the things we have to make it here. So according to that we have to take how many rows and how many columns and all. So all these are done like the, okay, I shown a nice example because the quality of the image is not good. So like that we have to make this kind of design in InDesign software. Okay, so this is the designs we are going to make. So compared to Photoshop, we don't have any layers options, we don't have much difficulties over here. Easily you can do the designs. Okay, is that clear everybody?
Can we make calendar designs also using this software, ma'am?
Yes, we can do calendar design, we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
do
Thank
calendar
you.
designs. And what else we can do it? Anybody can tell me like what else we can do it? I have mentioned here some of the designs. Okay, see, please note down all these things. InDesign is the two. Before we are using Adobe PageMaker. Adobe PageMaker. So this is for mainly for the printing software. Nowadays Adobe PageMaker is not there. So they changed it to Adobe InDesign. Okay, so they upgrade it and they made it Adobe PageMaker, and which is in 1994 they started to use it. Okay, and look at this version. Okay, so what are the versions? So in the Photoshop I have shown already, like what are the version we are using. Okay, when it is released August 31 1999, which is started 1.0 1 point this thing. Photoshop and CorelDRAW are these are the software little old softwares, but InDesign, which is the newly introduced. Okay, instead of PageMaker, they made it in a different way for the printing purpose, because CorelDRAW is very popular from the beginning. So mainly everybody using the CorelDRAW software. So for all kind of printing designs, everybody using the CorelDRAW software. Once the InDesign has come, so CorelDRAW and InDesign both are in a competition. So some companies they are using InDesign software, some companies they are using the CorelDRAW software. So both are doing equal things, but compared to CorelDRAW, InDesigning having multiple things, we can do the book designs and all. So number of pages and all more we can take it in the InDesign software. Okay, so that's why it is more popular compared to CorelDRAW, but both are equal. Okay, so you people are learning a wonderful software, Photoshop, InDesign and CorelDRAW. So these three softwares are which is very helpful in the futures also, when you people are going for the job and in that only higher positions and all. So these are the things which are very helpful. Okay, so these are the versions we are which is started CS, CS2 and CS3, CS3 again, CS4, CS5. Okay, so these are the version. So while you are downloading from the internet, so these are the versions. Okay, don't go from a lower version. CS5, I'm using already CS5. So come to this version CS5. CS6 is there. So afterwards the things are going to change. Adobe InDesign CC. Okay, CC 2014, CC 2015. So when it is released, on which date, all these options are there. 2018, 20 and 21. So this is the latest version, Adobe InDesign CC 2021. Okay, which is the latest version of InDesign software. Okay, is that okay everybody? Please note it down. all this version, no need to write everything. Only you have to write the which is started from 1999, because in exams they may be ask you people, okay, which is the latest version and which is the older versions, they're going to ask you people. Okay, so CC 2021 is the latest version of Adobe InDesign software. Is that clear, everybody? Somebody who wants to make a note of all these things, please write it down. So posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspaper, presentations, books, ebooks, advertisement designs. So what is the 10th one?
Calendars, ma'am.
Then what else? Anybody can tell me?
Manual book, ma'am.
Manual book means what?
Ma'am, like for electronic devices, like they'll give a manual guide.
What?
Ma'am,
Electronic?
for electronic devices, they give a manual guide.
Ah, okay, okay. So those things which is coming under the book designs. So everything which is coming under the book designs, because if when we are entering to the college, so we have the first we are like the watchman, like what we are filling, the things when we come in, exit, entry, those things, that is also one book. And again with the attendance you have one book, and the lab attendance you have another book. So right, like that, certificate designs, that is again with the paper itself. So what are the things which are going to print in the paper, even all kind of certificates. Okay, so for that you are getting even marks cards will be there, and the certificate will be there, and other certificates, in the sense like you are good in dance or any other software applications. So those things and all which is having different kind of certificates will be there, education related different certificate will be there. And books also, like even for the nursery kids, they have different kind of books will be there. You are the graduation people, you have different kind of books, correct? So somebody who is retired, so they are reading different kinds of books, everything which is coming under the books itself. Okay, so all different kinds of books. Okay, so which is coming under the books design itself. Okay, so please note it down all these options. Okay, so we will go to the software. Anybody having any doubt with the InDesign software? So what some of the things which we can create it, ma'am, something like that? Nobody? Okay, so we will go to this software, start, and my software which I have downloaded. So you people know how to download it, the software, right? So all are downloaded the Photoshop software. So otherwise I told some students, so you have to go, 1 second. Yeah, 1 second, I'll show you. Okay, get into, see. So I told one of the student, this write it down, this one. Okay, get into PC. Okay, so go to here, download the software here, get into pc.com. So in this we have the graphic design will be there. So here you will get this option, get into PC. In this we can search like whatever the software we need, we can search it. See, we have the 3D CAD graphic design will be there. Say, look at this graphic design. So we have, yeah, you can type here multimedia is there. Okay, graphic design. In this I'll give InDesign. So look at here, Adobe InDesign 2021 free download. Okay, so like this you can go to the next page. CC 2018, CC 2017. Okay, so you have different versions are there. Okay, you can download it different versions, so don't download the higher version. CS6, CS8, or these versions are enough. See, Adobe InDesign CSX portable free download. Okay, so everybody got it right, how to download the softwares and all. So you will get different softwares over here. You have to type it like this, Adobe InDesign or InDesign. You can type it automatically, it will take what is the versions you have to take. Is that clear, everybody? You have to type get into PC, getinto pc.com. Please write it down, get into PC. Okay, so if you type it like this, you will get this website. So whatever the softwares you need it, you will get it over here. Okay, so these are the free softwares, you will get it. Is that clear, everybody? So whoever not downloaded still Photoshop, the you people also can download this Photoshop software also, and please complete my assignments. Is that clear? Okay, so I'll go to here, start, and Adobe InDesign CS5. Otherwise, I'll go to all programs. In that, Adobe Master Collection CS5. So here my software is there, Adobe InDesign CS5. So when you will open this InDesign software, so which is opening like this, Adobe InDesign CS5. So we have three options are there. Don't look at this many options. This will not come to in your system, which is not coming in your system. Already we have created some designs. Those things which is reflecting over here. Okay, so here we have this create new document, book and library. So we are not going to create the book over here, so we are going for the document. The first one we are going to take the document. Okay, when you click on this document, so here we have a new document, so it is asking here, so what is the document, like this is default document. So mainly we are using this one for not for a web purpose, so mainly it is automatically which is taking, which is for the printing purpose over here. And so I told you before itself, so we are mainly using for the book designs, pamphlet, brochures and all, which is considering always 2 pages. Minimum 2 pages will be there, maximum n number of pages you can make it. Like book design means which is considering like 100 pages books will be there, 50 pages books will be there. Otherwise booklets will be there, which is having 10 pages or 8 pages, 12 pages, like that. So any number of pages also you can add it. You can give 100 pages also, later I'll show. Okay, number of pages I'm taking 1. Okay, so what is the page size? Okay, so page size I'm taking A4 size. So we have different kinds of page size will be there, A4 size, A3 size, A5, and legal and letter size, and letter half in the sense A4 size, half size. Okay, so those things we can create it. And otherwise you can make your own, you can make, like suppose if you are taking order from somebody, so that time we have to make it as a custom size means, so somebody is giving I need a poster design with this kind of size, so that time you can make a custom size, you can make your own size, you can give your own size here. Okay, custom page size, and you can place it over here. Okay, so they need a different name, you can give a different name and you can keep it over here. Okay, so like this. Okay, according to the customer the sizes will be there. Okay, so next page size will be the A4 width and height. So according to the A4 size, 210 is the width and 297 is the height. So you have already seen in the Photoshop the A4 size. Is that clear? A4 size you have seen already in the A4 size, everywhere it is same. So here we have an options portrait and landscape. So portrait which is coming in the vertical direction, and landscape, yeah, horizontal direction. Okay, so this in vertical and horizontal. Okay, so and we will come for this later, the columns and margins and all these options are there. So columns, mainly why we are taking the columns, so suppose you want to make a hotel menu card, like menu cards will be there, right? So restaurant you will go, there is a menu card they will give, so which is a folded menu card, like two folded or a three folded will be there in the, even in the invitation cards, like you have the two or three folded cards will be there. So according to that, so A4 size only we have to make it as a three folded, so that time we have to use the column. So we will come back this one. So everything if I'll tell in the first class, so you cannot digest, so I'll come back for this. I'll just take this A4 size, no need to worry about other things, I'll just give okay. Okay, so this is my A4 size. Okay, so only this is my A4 size, this is the work area, only this much area only we have to use to create a design. Okay, so if you create something out of this work area which is not going to visible, which is not going to print in the, while you are saving the file, while you are printing, so that time which is not visible, is that clear? Okay, so we have some of the tools over here. Okay, so this is the toolbar. So in that we have very minimum tools are there. So we don't have much tools in InDesign software. So we have very less tool and very simple tools are there, which already you have seen in Photoshop. Okay, so and this is the border. What is the meaning of this border, or uh, okay, so this is the border, and we have this, the pink and purple line is there. So after this we have the margin. What is margin? So you people are seeing every day the book design, so always in the book designs we have the page number here. Otherwise in the books designs nobody will type till here, right? So everybody have its own margin will be there, they will type till here itself. Okay, afterwards everywhere they will give 2 inches gap. Just look at the book design, any of the book designs, books are there in front of you, just check it out those things. Okay, so always there is a margin will be there, no books letters will be till here, till the page. Okay, always why we have to make the designs only till here, only this much area only we have to make, because these books designs or magazine designs they are going to cut, right? They are going to cut the pages, they are going to make it in a make it as a book bind, those things and all they have to make it, means they have to cut it very neatly. So that times they will little bit the pages, if it is going to cut, so that time if we will type till the end, so the letter it may be missing. Okay, so that's why we have to make a margin, only this much area only we have to type the text. So we should not type the text till the end, so that's why we have to keep the margins. Okay, so that's why we have to use the margins. Okay, so I'll go to the file new, again for new documents, we are not going to create the book, so new documents. So in that we have this portrait and a landscape. If I'll take number of pages, suppose I'll type here 100. Okay, number of pages 100, so I'll just give okay. So where is the number of pages now? So I have given 100 pages, look at here. Here this is the work area, this is the work area, this is the InDesign file, and we have the toolbar here, and we have the ruler option. So this is the ruler option here, and look at this is the menu bar. So in the menu bar we have the file, edit, layout, type, object, table, view, window, and the help option. So these many options, very simple options are there in InDesign. And this is the property window. So whatever the tools we are taking, so according to this we have the property window here. Is that clear everybody? This is the property window, and look at here, here in the down part of the page, and look at here, very small way they have given. So if I click on here, So look at the pages. So I have given 100 pages over here. So total how many pages are there? So totally 100 pages. I have already given 1 to 100. So totally 100 pages is there. So except master page. So always there is a master page will be there, and rather than that we have the 100 pages. Okay. What is master page? This is a master page. Anybody can tell me what is master page? Okay, keep it in your mind that we are going to make the book designs. So I'm going to tell about only about the book design. So can you tell me anybody what is master page? Arunima Baidya, can you tell me? Nitya R, what is master page? When we are creating the book designs, so where we are using the master page? Anybody? Prachi Jain, can you tell me anybody what is the meaning of the master page? Jennifer, Smira Shetty, Monal Singh, anybody can tell me what is the master page?
The cover page.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the cover page. So always any of the books, any magazines, or any of the books designs which is having always the cover page will be there. That is the front and back page. Correct, the front and back page will be there always, which is having the cover page. So which is going to print separately. So always cover page will, which is having the glossy finishing will be there always, and which is more colorful, like how I have shown this magazines and all. So which is more colorful from the outside, but inside pages and all which is not much colorful, because of even you people are using some of the colorful books. Like even if you are taking the ruled and unruled books also, the outside page, like the cover pages which is very colorful, some designs will be there, nature designs or something, so which is very colorful from the outside, and inside no need to make it much colorful, much attractive things and all, not necessary in the inside page, right? So this is the master page, so front and back page, so which is going to print together. So always the master page which is going to print together, rest of 100 pages which is going to print later. Okay, so first the master page is going to ready, later other 100 pages going to print. Is that clear? So you people have to know how the printing process is going on, like how they are making the designs and all, right? So okay, so I will go to the, I will not, I don't want 100 pages now. So when you will take the 100 pages, then only the master page is visible. Okay, so I'll close this, and I will go to this my new file, which is having only one single page will be there. Again for this also master page is there, so I don't want a single page which is having the master page. So when we are creating the poster design, so some of the poster or a pamphlet design which is having front and back page also which is there, so which we are going to print front page, and the back side also some messages will be there. So that is the front and back page printing will be there. So that also we have to print, that means we have to take this master page only, we can take it, and we can make it front and back page design here. Okay, otherwise one single page also we can take it separately. Okay, so however we are going to take, according to that design will come. Okay, so here we have, we'll come for the toolbar. Okay, so we have some very simple tools are there. One is this selection tool, and next one is the direct selection tool. Okay, selection tool, direct selection tool, how we are using the move tool, so like that only, selection tool and direct selection tool will be there, and the page tool and the gap tool, and here we have an option called type tool. Okay, in this type tool again we have the two different types of the type tool is there. One is the type tool and type on path tool. Okay, so very simple options are there compared to Photoshop, we don't have multiple options are here. Okay, so type tool, Instead of text tool, we are using type tool here. Okay. Again, next one is the line tool. See, whatever the tools we are selecting, that according to that, in the property window we have the options. Okay. And next one is the line tool and this pen tool. I told you people that pen tool which is coming all over. Okay, any of the software you people are going, so designing software I'm telling, so there you have this pen tool. Okay, there you have the pen tool. Next we have the tool called pencil tool. Okay, we'll come for this InDesign software. So we have this pencil tool. Okay, so next we have the rectangular frame tool. So only the rectangle box we will get, rectangular tool, and a scissor tool, and we have this free transform tool. So while you people are downloading the software, please check all these tools are available in your software. So when you are downloading same version like CS5 or CS6 is okay. When you people are downloading like a higher version, CC 2017, 18, or any of the versions, so that time some tools it may be changed. Okay, so we have note tool and this eyedropper tool and the zoom in and zoom out, all these options are there. Okay, so whatever the tools you people are taking, there is a property window will be here. So any of the tools which is not visible here, so go to window, and in that we have the options. Okay, so we have this layers option also here, so no need to worry about the layers again. So we are not using any layers over here, so we are not using like how we having in the Photoshop. Okay, no need to worry about the layers, but still you have the layer options. And you have this pages options is there, strokes, style, many of the options will be there, colors. Okay, so we have the color option also is there, like this you will get the color option. Okay, and all these options you will get. Okay, so then view, so any of the things which is you have to zoom in and zoom out, like some of the shortcuts which is not visible, let me check. Control plus is zoom in, control minus is zoom out, so you people know already control plus and control minus. Otherwise you have the scroll mouse also which is not working, only up and down which is working for this. Otherwise we have an option here, zoom in and zoom out. So zoom in will be there, if you click on this hand tool which will be coming the exact page size. So zoom in will be like this, and the hand tool zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so this is the option. Okay, so we'll go for the first tool. Okay, so before that we have this measurement, mainly for the measurements are very necessary while we are doing the designs. So here we have the rulers. So rulers according to like how much we are taking, inches and millimeters, centimeters and pixels. So we are not using here pixels again. So how we are measuring the pages, so like the pages always you are using the scale, and there is a inches options will be there, correct? So we are using always the inches options, so you can give the inches. So according to the inches we have the options will be there. Okay, so like this. Again, if you click on here, we have this inches and decimal options, both are the things are there. Okay, inches and decimal options are there. So whatever the constant size will be there, so according to this we will take it centimeter. Okay, so according to the ruler we will take this option. Okay, so I'll go to the, so how much ever the things, you have to press left click, and I'll use the left click, and I'll make the sizes over here. Left click on this, and I'll make the sizes over here. Left click, and according to this you have to give more margins and all. So that time we have to use this options. Okay, so I'll come back for this ruler. I'll go to this document file from the beginning. So here we have this options A4 size, portrait and landscape. If I'll take this landscape, so there is an option which is coming in the horizontal way. So you will get the same A4 size. So that time we'll get the horizontal options. Okay, horizontal options we will get it. Okay, so while we are creating the brochures, so that time we need a good quality of things. Like we have to divide the pages in how many, like suppose menu card, suppose if it is a two or a three folded kind of thing. So that time I will go with this landscape, which is having how many columns, three columns. So I want to fold my page the same A4 size paper I'm making with the three folded. So I'll just give it okay. So here three folded pages will be there. Okay, even three fold we have to add a separate information here. Okay, three fold we have the separate informations will be there. So front page and the back page will be there separate. So that time we have to take two different pages will be there. So if we'll take a master page, so which is very constant, so master page also you have this ruler will be there. So front and back, so always the menu card or a brochures and the pamphlets, so which is having only two pages means this much is enough. So you have to add the informations like this, and we will take the printout like this only. Then then what we have to make it, so we have to take the printout, then we will cut the page this much only. We will make a separate pages like this, two different separate pages we will make it. Otherwise we will make the foldings like front and back, like the foldings will be there, right? So according to that only we will make the designs. So I don't have very clear picture of this. So we have this magazine things over here. So we have this two pages will be here. Okay, in the next class I'll show some of the more works and all. So I don't have now, I need to search in my system. Okay, so there is a two fold three fold brochures and all when we have to create the design. So that time we are using these rows and columns. Okay, so no need to worry about these things. So horizontal and vertical directions are very important. Okay, so we will go for the tools. So I'll not come for the tools from the beginning. I'll come for this one. So we have very simple tools, not like in Photoshop. We don't have multiple tools over here. So we have this rectangular tool, ellipse tool, and the polygonal tool. Okay, so we have rectangular tool. So first we'll take the rectangular tool. So I'll make this rectangle like this. So this is the box. Okay, what we have taken this box, and whatever the tools I have taken here, so according to this we have the options over here. So which is telling here, so what is the width and height of this box. So which is telling here width is 113 and height is 105. Okay, so using this first tool, selection tool, so we can increase the size and we can decrease the size. So when we are increasing and decreasing the size, look at there. So according to that, xy direction also which is changing, and width and height, both the options also which is changing over here. Okay, so here according to the selection, so there is a selection tool is here. So if you are going to select, you are not able to select it means properly, so if you drag it like this, which is selecting like this, and which is having these points everywhere. So we have these points everywhere, and look at here, we have to change the color. For this we have to give the color means, and we have this color palette over here. So here we are telling the fill color. Okay, so we are not telling here paint bucket tool or any other colors here. Here it is totally different. So we are telling fill color. Okay, fill color over here. Again you have this option here. One is a fill color option is here, and this is a stroke color. Stroke color in the sense outline color. So outline we have different color, and inside this area we have the different color. So I'll select the color. So we have only these many colors over here which is in the palette. So this is the color what I have given. So you have to just select this one. Always you will get this option. And we have the stroke color. So I'll click on this. This is the stroke color. So we are not able to see the stroke properly, correct? So when we'll select this one, we have given this pink color stroke. And how you can see the pink color stroke? So while increasing the thickness of the outline, so here it is 1 point over here, so very thinner outline will be there. So if I'll increase it to more, so then only you can see the outline. Is that correct? So when we are increasing the outline, so then only it is possible to see the outline color. So like that, we can change the outline color, and we have to select it. Using this selection tool, always we have to select the object, and we can change the color. Okay, so whatever the colors we want, we can change it. So in this we have the options. We can increase the size and we can decrease the size. Okay, you can move it however we want. No need to take the helping of the layers and all. So here, which is very easy. Okay, so we can take the color, and I can reduce the size of this thing. Even I can rotate it. So here we have now a tool called rotations. So even you can make the rotation here. So how much ever the angles you want to rotate it, you can rotate this option. Okay, otherwise here, can you see everybody? Even manually you have to give the proper with the values, you have to make the rotations. So that also you can give it the rotations and all, you can make it. Any changes you have to make this square box, you have to make it with this in a different way. So that also we can do the changes while changing these values. Okay, so I'll make it 0. If I'll make it 0, so then only it will change according to the page. Okay, so anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? Tanisha?
No, ma'am.
Okay, my screen is visible, right? So some poor connection things are come. So what is the problem? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody? Yes, okay. There is some internet issues. Okay, my screen is visible, right? Poor internet connection. So like that, we have this rotation options will be there even so wherever we want. So left, right, anywhere according to this we can do the changes. So we have very simple options over here. We don't have very multiple options. We don't have. So exactly what is the size we want, the shape, size and all. So we can give it here 150 I'm giving. So like when we are doing the newspaper design, magazine designs and all, so past from 10 years, 20 years, they are following the same size. So they maybe increase their advertisement designs, but all other things and all which is very same. Like you are seeing from past 20 years the books designs. Okay, so they may be added some cartoons, or they may be added some of the informations and all, but the designs which are not changed, correct? They have the standard designs, they have the standard text, they have the standard headings and everything which is already designed. So which is according to the size we have to place it, everything we have to place it according to the size itself. So all we have to place the box the same according to their measurements itself. We have to place the box and all. Okay, suppose we don't want the color here, suppose I don't want the outline color. So that time I'll go to here this first option, that is a none. So none option in the sense we don't have any outline color here. So I don't have any outline color, so that is the none option, the first one. I don't have any outline color. So if I want the outline color, I have given this pink outline which is not visible, because I have to increase the thickness of the outline. So then only which is visible over here. Correct. So then only which is visible. Okay. So like that we have many different tools are there. So we will come back for this because we need a text for this tool also. But we can do this options. So we have this fancy, bevel and rounded, all these options are there. So fancy option, this is so only very, I'll zoom it, only the borders will be only this much. So in, like how much fancy things you can see in a newspaper or a magazine, or in your school books and all, college books and all. So only very very less fancy things they will use it. So very minimum small borders and very little changes and all they will make it. So that's why we don't have any, like the software is not very fancy. Okay, so like this we have the things. So I'll select the shape and I'll go to here rounded. So you'll get the rounded options here, and you can increase this rounded. See here what are the shapes you will take. So I can increase this shape. So otherwise you can give directly like 40. So it is completely, which is coming with the rounded, complete rounded. So exactly like that, if I'll take this fancy options, you will have the fancy option like this. So if I'll give 10, so only the design 10 will, only the side border, only this much only it is coming. So if I'll give 50, I'll select the shape and I'll make it 50. So then the options will change here like this. If I'll make it 25, so this changes will be becoming like this. Okay, so you have to select the shape, and designs we have to select it. Only we have this many designs. Okay, only these many designs are there. Okay, so according to this 60, let me check how it will come. If I'll give 60, it will come like this. 75 is going completely inside like this. Yeah, see this design after giving 75. So everybody should use the small options what I'm using. Everybody should use it. Okay, so again, if I want to make the changes like this, I can do the changes. And I want to rotate something like this, that also I can rotate it. Okay, anytime you can change the color also. So whatever the colors you want, you can do the changes of the color. Select this image, select this file shape, and then you can change the color, outline color. And you have to increase the outline color. You can increase the outline color. So I have given 50 point. So like that we have given 9 points like this also, you can give it. Okay, and even we have the designs. So I'll just reduce it to 50. Okay, so even with the outline also, we have the different designs also there. So we have this straight hash designs will be there, and we have this white diamond designs will be there for the outline, and we have this curvy shapes. Okay, so this is also one design, and Japanese dots. Okay, this is also one design, and this line will be there. Okay, so like this single line, solid line, and yeah, thicker line. So like this we have multiple options are there. So in this software, so no need to uh, no need to, for learning, you don't have many tools here. Very simple tools itself. Every day we have to create one designs. One day poster design, one day newspaper design, one day magazine cover page design, so like that. So we are creating every day one designs. Okay, so you people have to follow me from the beginning, whoever attending the classes. So today I have told you people to download the software. Today itself download the software and learn all these basics options. Okay, so it will be easy. So this is very easy software. So like this. Okay, change the thing, and let us see what is this. Oh, this is the transparency options. So transparency, like how we are using the opacity options, so the same thing, only the transparency options are there. So this is the opacity of this transparency options. Okay, this is the opacity or the transparency options. Okay, and just deleted this one, control minus. Okay, any of the files we can take it, horizontal or vertical. Okay, so now next one is rectangular tool. The shortcut is M. So already we done that one. Next one is the ellipse tool. Shortcut is L. Okay, I'll go to this ellipse tool. I'll make a circle. So while you are making, you have to press left click. Always you have to left click, and we have to make the circle. Yeah. Circle or oval shape also you can make it. So this is the circle and oval shape. Okay, any of the designs also you can make it. So always take this selection tool. If you want to move it wherever you want to move it, so always use the selection tool. Okay, so here to increase the size of this, so we are using this one, scaling options we are using. For the rotation we are using this option. For the rotations we are using this option. Okay, so we will have the rotation options, we'll get it here. Okay, the same thing what we have used for the this thing rectangular tool. So we have this fill color options will be there, and this the outline color. So outline color, so which is that we have to add the thickness. We have to add the thickness, and any designs also we can add it. Okay, so outline designs also we can add it for this. And for taking the duplicate copy, I'll just select, go to here, edit, cut and copy. You people already know cut and copy, control X and control V. So always you people know. Otherwise copy and paste, control C, control V, which is not happening over here. Yeah, which is done. Otherwise you can use it, copy and paste also you can use it. So which is control C and control V. So which is already copied here itself. Otherwise you can press on alt and left click. So both the things you have to hold it together, alt and left click. Okay, alt and left click. So by the times, so you will get a duplicate copy of this. Okay, I'll just delete it and go to edit. There is an option here, alt shift control D. No need to use so many options. So you can make only alt and left click, you will get a duplicate copy of this. And what else we have? So control Z. So control Z is very important. So control Z. So control Z. Okay, control Z, control alt Z. So which is not working. Control Z only one or two times only undo will work. Control Z, control Z. Okay. So otherwise you can go to undo clear, edit, undo. Okay, so each and everything you have to use this control Z, which is not working. That time you have to go to edit, undo, move items, edit, undo, move items. So like this you have to keep on click on here, and you have to use this option. Okay, so we have two different things over there, copy and paste into and paste in place. Paste in place in the sense, if I'll copy it like this, control C and edit, paste in place means exactly which is placing over the same shape, so which is placed on here itself. So that is control C and edit, paste into, the same thing only, paste and place, copy and paste. Okay, so try with this option also, cut, copy, paste and duplicate. Alt and left click you can use it. Okay, and we will have the color options. If we'll go to here, window, there is the option of color. So we have three different colors are there, color, gradient and swatches. So no need to go for all these options. The first one is the color options. Okay, color option is here. Okay, so we have some colors already here. Okay, which is visible here. So otherwise you want it light green, dark green, any of the colors you want, you can use it. Okay, so this is the color option. Otherwise you can go to here in the left side, in the toolbar there is an option of color. I'll click on here, double click on this, you will have the color options. So whatever the colors you want, you can take the colors. So you can mix the color. So you will get the color light yellow, light pink, light orange, and mixing of orange and yellow. We have this mustard yellow. So like this you have multiple options are there. When light purple, light purple and white mixing. So many of the options in blue only, you have multiple shading. So here we are going very deep in the colors. So why the colors? When you are taking the colors, look at here, the colors changes are there. So we are using here CMYK colors and RGB colors and the lap colors. So lap color which is not clicked here. So most probably we are using always this InDesign we are using for the printing purpose. So that's why we are using CMYK colors. So mainly we are using for the printing purpose. So that's why we are using the CMYK color. Okay. So here CMYK in this which is showing here how much ever the percentage of C and M and Y and K. What is CMYK? What is the full form of CMYK? Anybody can tell me what is the full form of CMYK?
Ma'am,
Diveshri M. What is the full form of CMYK? Yeah, Tanisha, tell me.
ma'am, C is for cyan, M for magenta, Y yellow, and K I'm not sure, ma'am.
K for
Okay,
key.
okay, fine, fine. Yeah. K,
Ma'am, K for key, which means black.
K, black. So K for black. So in exam, so they maybe ask you like instead of C, M, or K, they will give some other color and uh, blue. They will give cyan, magenta, yellow, and blue. Like that, they will give multiple choice questions. So that time they will make you people confused with the colors. So you people keep it in mind. So RGB, red, green, blue. Instead of blue, they will give black. So the multiple choice will be there. So just keep it in mind these color options and all. So CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So when exactly they need the same colors, so 100% black we need it means we have to use the 100% black. So other things and all which is zero over here, so we will get the 100% black. So this is the 100% black. The other colors and all zero here. Okay, other colors and all zero here. So exactly the same colors, exactly like customers they will ask 100% black or blue. That time we have to use according to that. Okay. See, 100% yellow, this is 100% yellow. And let me check. 100% magenta. Yeah, 100% magenta. And cyan, let us see what colors which is coming with the cyan. So cyan is like a radiant color. So cyan, actually cyan color is not this one blue. Cyan which is having the color like this kind of colors, like radiant color, which is having the radiant color. Okay, so that is under with the cyan. Okay, so mainly for the printing purpose we are using. So color things are very important here, color combination, everything. So that is the color thing. So you have the fill color also and we have the outline color also, both the things are visible. So we can click on here and whatever the colors we want in the color palette. So whatever the colors we needed, so we can take it like this. So using the color picker tool, so this is what I'm using, that is the color picker tool. So using this we can take the color. So we have black and white colors are there. Okay, if we don't want the color inside, okay, see already we have this white color. So we don't want only the, we don't want the color, we want only the outline means that time we have to use the none option. Okay, so now we don't have the color inside, only the outline will be there. So then the inside like this, like which is visible. So whatever the things we are placed here which is visible, because we don't have any fill color, correct, we don't have any fill color. So that's why I have taken the duplicate copy of this. So I'll select everything I'm going to delete. Okay. Okay, so next we will go for this polygonal tool. Okay, so polygonal tool, so which is having six edges or six faces. We can tell that we have the six faces will be there. So using the selection tool, we have the six faces will be there. Okay, so we will take this, and sometime which is not selecting properly, so that time what you have to do, you have to select it like this. So I forgot to tell you one more option. So I'll fill the color. Okay, and I'll just give some outline, and I'll increase the thickness of this outline, so very less. So next tool is this one, direct selection tool. So this is a selection tool and the direct selection tool. What is the use of this direct selection tool? So whatever the points we are having, so we have some points over here, so we have one points over here, those points and all we can drag it like this. So that is the use of the direct selection tool only, which is selecting the area. Okay, it's only selecting the shape. But this deselection direct selection tool, the shortcut is A, which is selecting the points. There is a points over here, you can see the points, so which is selecting like this. Okay, so direct selection tool, using that, so you can select the points, so wherever the points you want you can extend it. So no need to use the layers and all. If you open this layer window layers, so we have this option, so whatever the tools we have taken here, so according to that it will come, so no need to create a layers and all. So automatically everything which a different layer, automatically it will come. So I'll just delete it, and whatever the tools we have, this ellipse tool or some of the things, we have this direct selection tool. We have to select the option like this, the points, wherever the points we have, using this, these are the anchor points or nodes we can tell it. So we can bend it how much ever we want, we can bend this thing. So we have this two antennas over here, using that we can bend this point. Okay, we can bend this point how much ever we want, we can bend this. Okay, using this the second one, direct selection tool. Okay, so then later we can give the colors, whatever the colors we want we can make it. Okay, so I'll go to this one, third one, polygonal tool. So with this polygonal tool, again we have the sizes of the shape. If I'll make it 200, the size only, the width is increasing. Height, if I'll make it only 10, so then the height will be very less. Okay, so like that, 50, I'll make the size. Okay, so when we are making the designs of the certificate designs or any of the magazine cover page designs, so certificate designs and all, so they are making, suppose your college certificates and all, so which is there from past many years. The same certificates which they are using for from past 20 years or 30 years, so same designs only we have to follow, correct? So that time we have to follow the same size, same shapes, and the same text, and same layout design. This is what we are calling, it's a layout design. So we cannot take we are the new generation people, that means we cannot take a new design certificates and all, we cannot make it. So which is come from the university, which is come from the valuable college and all. So they will make their own standard designs. They have standard logo will be their standard designs. You can see in the notice board, they will place so many things, some of the advertisement designs, so those things and all. There will be a college logo will be there. So there will be a college, some of the things which is very common, you can see. Okay, so those are the things, always which is having some minimum size in the sense that is a proper size of the things, where they are using everywhere. Okay, so that is the thing. So I will select like this, and so whatever the sizes we want, so according to them we have to give the sizes like this. So width and height, and the color, we can change the color. Otherwise I'll go to here, and whatever the colors we want, I'll select the color, and outline colors we have. Okay, so this is the outline color, and the borders will be there. So we can see the border, so while we are giving the thickness of the outlines, so then only we can see the border. And if you don't want the border means, we can give it zero. If you'll give the zero, still the border is there. Okay, so otherwise, yeah, it is taken already none, border is none here. Okay, zero means none, which is already taken. And the transparency option also we can give it. Okay, is that clear? Any
ஆமா.
anybody having any doubt, who are not given me the attendance, I'll make a note. And this InDesign, please, it's very simple software. Today itself download the software and just check all these options. In the next class we are going for the text and how to place the images. Again we are using some simple images again here also, because we have to create the magazine cover page, and the brochure designs and the pamphlet designs. All these things we have to create it. So by the times we need images necessary, correct? So that's why uh, we will see in the next class. Okay, somebody's attendance who are they are missing here. Sarada Lakshmi. Sarada Lakshmi, she is absent from any class.